What if I told you that your first $100 online is the hardest money you will ever make? Not because it's too difficult, but because most people quit before they reach it. Making money online is not a scam, and it's definitely not luck. It's a skill. And like every skill, once you learn it, you can repeat it again and again. The goal is not to become rich overnight. The real goal is simple. Make your first $100, because that first earning changes everything. It builds confidence, removes doubt, and proves that earning online is actually possible. The fastest way to reach this goal is freelancing. You don't need to be an expert to start. Even basic skills like writing simple content, data entry, creating social media posts, or basic video editing are enough. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow beginners to start from zero. In the beginning, your focus should not be on earning big money, but on getting your first client. Even if you earn just $5 per task, completing 20 small orders will get you to $100. The secret is simple. Deliver your work on time, maintain quality, and build trust. Once you get positive reviews, your growth becomes much faster. Another powerful way to earn your first $100 is by selling digital products. These can be simple things like ebooks, notes, templates, or short guides. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to solve a small problem for someone. For example, if you create a product worth $10, you only need 10 people to buy it to reach $100. The best part is that you create it once and it can keep selling again and again without extra effort. Affiliate marketing is also a great option. In this method, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You don't need to create your own product or invest money. You can share your links through short videos, social media platforms, blogs, or even messaging apps. When the right audience sees the right product, you start earning. If you are thinking long-term, then content creation is one of the best paths. Creating videos on platforms like YouTube about topics like skills, knowledge, or entertainment can eventually generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It may take time, but once your content starts performing, it can continue earning for you even while you sleep. The most important thing is to take action. Start by choosing one method, spend a few days learning the basics, and then begin immediately. Stay consistent, improve your work, and don't overthink the process. Most people fail not because they lack ability, but because they never start or give up too early. Remember, your first $100 is not just about money. It's about breaking a mental barrier. Once you achieve it, you realize that making money online is real and repeatable, and that's when everything changes. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Start small, but start today. Because your future income depends on the actions you take right now.